You ready to be on YouTube, bud? All right, what's going on, you guys? I am back bringing you another video, and today I have a very exciting one. Today I have an aftermarket skid plate. How exciting, right? No, this is gonna be very cool. I'm very, very excited. It's from a company. I'll link it down below. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's like Badanlv or something like that. And anyway, I have a nice aftermarket skid plate. It's actually pretty heavy. I need to put it down. Whoops. Because we got a lot of snow, and because I'm lowered, my skid plate turned out like this. It is a mangled mess of what it once was. So, needed to replace this. And I wanted to get something stronger, and on top of that, another benefit is it has these two hatches here. You can see them. You have your oil drain and your oil filter hatch, so I don't got to take the whole freaking plate off when I'm doing an oil change. So I'm very, very excited. I'm going to change the oil in this thing, and then we'll get to installing that. Okay, guys, so this is the company that I bought from, Badanlv. And honestly, I'm very impressed. It's, oh, get that off my hand. It's significantly heavier, which you might be like, oh, but weight savings. Yeah, it's 2 pounds heavier. I mean, you're never going to notice that. And it's so much sturdier. And I think that's my favorite part, is the two little oil hatches for your filter and your drain plug. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the car now. Got the new oil in, so let's do it. All right, so when you're under the car, you're gonna see you got little clips like that all the way around. First thing you're gonna wanna do is remove these. So I'm gonna grab, oh, never mind. You can just pull them right off. So you're gonna wanna remove the factory ones. And you'll see your new skid plate comes with these fancy dancy little fastener clip things. So what we're gonna do is install these right where the old ones were. And you want the little pokey guy, you want the thing sticking up, you want that facing up. So I don't know if you can see how I'm installing it, but look at that. And then you just shove her in. Oh, you gotta use some muscle though. There we go. Look at that. It snaps right in. See. Oh yeah, beautiful. Nice and lined up, I think. Oh, look at that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the rest of them, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, so once you got all those clips, you can just essentially put it up there. Make sure you line up the little notches there. And I just have a bolt in it over here to keep it steady. And then you just put the rest of the bolts in and you're good to go.
Oh, good.
Real simple.
Real simple.
Okay, well, I am very pleased to say that the install went really, really well. It was easy, it was simple. I literally just put the clips in, and then you throw the bolts in. Luca? Yeah, I'm talking to you. No, but the install was really easy. You put the clips in the plastic, you line this guy up, you put the little bolts in around the outside, and it's good. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and open these hatches for you guys so you can see how it looks when like the filter and the oil drain plug hatches are down. And that should be about it for this video. Okay, so there is the oil drain plug hatch. It's nice and big. I mean, you have plenty of room. It's not gonna spray everywhere. And then the oil filter hatch is right here. And I don't know if this, maybe you could just chop this part off, but it doesn't really matter because you can just bend it. But yeah, there it is. There's the finished product. It is significantly sturdier, even with my shitty, cracked up, banged up side here. Oh, I forgot to tighten that panel, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, with this, even with this all cracked up right here, I mean, you can see I have it zip tied together. It still fit really, really well, and it's significantly sturdier. And these little hatches are the nicest thing about the whole thing. I mean, I would spend the money just for these alone. I would have done it 90,000 miles ago had I known they made something like this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. The install was super smooth and easy. I'm going to get the car down and, you know, I'll keep you guys updated on how it holds up. I have another car part in my room waiting to be installed. I'm just waiting for it to get warmer. So give me a month or two and I'll probably throw those guys on. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you being here and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.